Hi all. Let's talk about this Agile certification, which is totally free. It's Scrum Fundamentals Certified or SFC. And I'm going to walk you through step by step how do you get this certificate 100% free. So this is what you get at the end from ScrumStudy. You will have your name, ID, and a grant date. And this is a certification which does not expire. So you will be having this forever. And you should be able to link it to your LinkedIn and other profiles. So let's go and see how to get this. So we'll just go here and search Scrum Study. Scrum Study is right, we search and then search for certification. First one is Scrum Fundamental Certified. So this is the certification page. I'm going to put the link in the description for your reference. So if you see, there are like 4 steps. First, you need to register and then you need to log in and you need to do online course which includes videos, study guide, and glossary of important terms. And there is a phone app also if you want to study it over the phone app. And then you have to take a 40 question online exam. Again, exam is free and you need to get 30 question out of 40 correct and you get this certification. And your name is added to Scrum Study Certification Registry. So here is how a sample course completion certificate looks like. This is just an example. When you click on register for free, what happens? So you just provide your basic information and you get registered. And then you log in. And once you are in, you will see this screen. So here you need to find Scrum Fundamental Certified. So you click start. And as you can see, I have already completed all this module, but there are like 2 chapters in it. So you click on this first one and you kind of click one at a time. It's a pretty good
Hello,
description
and welcome back to ScrumStudy.
in terms of video.
Hello, and welcome back to
And
ScrumStudy
you go
course on a
through go
guide to
through
the
this.
Scrum body of
You
knowledge.
need to make
In the
sure
earlier
you need to make sure you see the video 100% and at the top you will see your progress. So after every video there is a chapter test is more like a practice test, but you need to complete that and otherwise you will not get into 100% performance here. So you can come and check outside. This progress should be 100%. So how do you get this 100%? You need to finish both the chapters and you need to finish the chapter questions or chapter test. Like for this one also, for you example, if you go to this one,
Welcome back to
all
Module
this
2,
you need
Scrum
to do all these
Principles.
videos
In this
and here
section,
is a chapter test. So chapter test, there are like 18 questions and you can do it multiple times. There is no penalty for that. So once you are done with this and you come to course overview and you see 100% here, then you need to go to my exam. And if you see, a lot of other exams are paid, but if you go down, you will see Scrum Fundamental Certified. This exam you will see as free. It will say take exam like the some of the other exam. So once you click there, you will be able to do the exam. It's a 1 hour exam for 40 questions and you need to get 30 questions right. And if you go through the material above, you will definitely get those right. It's not difficult questions. It's a basic agile questions. So if you go through that videos, like for me, it kind of end to end, it took almost 4 hours. I think 3 hours or so for going through the videos and the chapter test, and maybe 1 hour for the exam. And a lot of questions will be similar to what you do in the practice chapter test. So that is important to remember. And once you are done here, the exam and pass, let me show you by clicking on some other exam. For example, if you click this exam and talk about the language, and that's it, it just kind of the exam starts and all the questions are objective. You need to select one option and you can see the time here, right? So that's how you do the 60 questions. And once you are done with that, you will get a mail also that you have passed it and this is your link for the certificate, or you can directly go to my certificates here on the left side, and you will able to download the certificate and share with the social media. So that's about it. It's a good known certification which comes pretty handy for a basic understanding of Agile. And the certification name again is Scrum Fundamental Certified. Thanks for watching.